And you have just passed your 12th. What kind of person do you want to become?
Sir, basically I want to become financially independent person and a person who gives time to his family, because sir, these are the two most important things in my life, as these are the basis of my life. Because sir, I believe that a person who is financially independent, he can support his family, and slowly he will grow. He will not like be in a rat race only, like working somewhere. I don't want to work somewhere. I want to be financially independent by myself only, that I make myself an empire which I'll build for the next generation. And I believe giving time to the family is very important for me, because sir, I have seen that sometimes we don't give time to our families, and then at that time they also feel very sad and they think that, oh, my child is not giving me time. So I believe that giving time to my family is very important for me, and these are the only two things which I need.
Hmm. Ansh, do you think students should focus on society or self growth?
Sir, this is a very good question that you have asked me. Sir, basically, I believe that students should focus on self growth only, because, sir, self growth is more important than rather focusing upon the society. Society has the work of speaking and like pointing you at times when you are doing. Sir, as we say that we should hustle in silence, and then our success will make the noise. So, I, sir, agree with this statement that we should work hard, and we should work hard on ourselves, not think about the society that what they'll think. You will have failures in your life, and you will have some problems in your life, but your parents will be always standing by yourself. So only your parents and your self growth matters to you, not any society or not any other third person speaking in front of you. And I believe that focusing on self is only the important thing in my life.
Is overthinking good or bad?
So basically, overthinking is good at times and bad at times also. It depends basically upon the situation that in which I am standing. We can overthink good also. Like we people always say overthink that if this bad happens, so what I'll do and what I will not do. So I believe that why don't people think about that if something happens good, and think about that only, because sir, overthinking is good. That you are focusing upon the future situation, and that should be done by everyone in their life at some point of time. But you should always try to overthink good, not bad, because when you will have a positive energy and you will have a positive vibe, at that time you will tend to focus more good, like more briefly upon the things which you are doing. So I believe that overthinking in a good way is a better, but not in a bad way.
Describe a time when you had to apologize.
Okay, sir. Sir, this happens generally every day in my house, because I keep on doing various activities, various notorious activity. I don't say that I'm a good child. Like I just I am a very notorious child, and I tend to like do wrong things also, and sometimes I do right thing. But I apologize every time, sir. And like one day I have taunted my sister. At that time only my mother scolded me very badly that she is 4 years older than you. You should always respect her. So I always tend to say sorry after I make mistakes.
Ansh, do you think studying abroad necessary for success?
Sir, basically it depends upon person to person. Someone who has generational wealth, or someone who is already having a good base in the life, he or she may have make successful things here only. And I don't say that going abroad is only like the reason for success of a person, but going abroad matters in a different perspective. You get respected for the work you do. Like here you see the plumber, he doesn't even get respect, and outside the plumber is getting paid so well, because they don't like to do that things. And the people coming from there, they get easy success, they get easy money. So at that time only I believe, according to me, sir, going abroad is the definition of success, because I have always tend to see my brother also, he is also outside, so I will also think that I will go abroad and have some success.
Can you work under pressure?
Sir, it depends upon the situation again, that if I am feeling very much high workload at sometimes, so I'll not be able to work under pressure. But sometimes when it is the matter of my situation, like I can handle it very easily, because I know how to handle my work and how I'll do the things basically. So at that time I believe that handling work under pressure is very easy for me at some time. But when it is the matter of other person, at that times I may get stuck.
Do you seek validation from others?
Do you seek validation from others? No, sir. Basically, I don't seek validations from anyone, because I tend to know that I am enough confident, and the things which I am doing in my life, I am pretty focused upon that, and I know that I am going in a right path. Somewhere, when I go in a wrong path or I am making any wrong decision, then I'll tend to take validation from my parents or my friends and teachers. But right now, in this situation in which I am going, I don't take validations from anybody.
How do you deal with self doubts?
How do I deal with self doubt? Sir, basically, I made some good friends, and whenever I feel like low, or whenever I doubt myself or doubt my skill, I go to my parents or I go to my friends, they always tell me that you are capable of doing many things, and these things somewhere motivates me, and I tend to perform very well according to them. And my friends have always like been a main played a male vital role in this part. So I believe that yes, I can clear my self doubts very easily.
And how do you handle criticism?
How do you handle criticism, sir?
Is it okay to repeat the question?
Sorry, sir, I will not repeat, but I get the time to think about the answer, so that's
But do you
why.
think in real interview, in
No,
real
sir.
scenario, it will be appropriate?
No, sir, I'll like not do this from next question.
Okay, so how do you handle criticism?
So basically, I handle criticism in a very good way, in an optimistic way. I tend to like hear the problem the other person is having, then I'll not fix myself according to him, because sir, according if I am right at some place and the person is criticizing me that you are doing this wrong, so at that time, sir, I'll not even like listen to his words. I'll tend to ignore him. But if I am wrong somewhere and the other person is telling me that you are doing this wrong, so at that time I'll admire his thoughts and think about that and then come to a good solution.
What is your biggest fear and why?
My biggest fear is, sir, losing my parents out of this world, because they matter to me a lot, and like they have given me everything, and I just want that they should enjoy my success, they should enjoy the taste of success. They're working so hard for me and they spent a lot of money on me, but I want that one day I'll take them somewhere and just let them buy anything they want, sir, because they are working so much hard, and I feel very grateful by God that God has given me such good parents. So at that time, I only believe that God should not take away my parents earlier than my success. I want them to see that their child was capable of doing something.
Okay, you're talking about your success. Are you sure of your success?
Yes, sir. Basically, I am sure of my success. Like, if not anything huge, but I'll do something that will make me like proud of myself. Like, not sit idle at home, not having anything is better than doing something. So I just start small hustle, because sir, as we say, the people who work hard, they get the success. So I believe that I'll tend to do something or the other, any small things that I can work in MACD or anything I can do, but I'll just make my parent that your child is productive.
How do people usually describe you?
So basically, people describe me as very cheerful, and I like to make like wherever I go, I make jokes and make the situation very calm. If there is a situation like when my at times my mother is angry at my house, so I know that how to calm her down and like make any simple joke also she can laugh. So I believe that I just calm down the environment and make everyone happy.
Okay. Are you good at dealing with toxic people?
Yes, sir. I am very good at dealing with toxic people, because it like I have faced some toxic people in my life, like who were totally against me or never tried to hear my thoughts or something. So at that time, sir, I tend to ignore them only, because sir, this is the best weapon you can use against them, because if you will just like give them attention, so they'll keep on doing that thing again and again. So I believe that ignoring is the best quality which I have in my life that helped me to remove toxic people out.
You sound so responsible. Here comes the question. At what age did you feel a sense of responsibility?
Sir, I felt a sense of responsibility when I lost my grandfather in the year 2020. So at that time only, sir, I sensed that I have to do something in my life and make my parents and my grandmother also proud. So at times I like miss him very much, and I think that I should be responsible for making everyone happy, and I should like just change the my house. Like now it is very normal, but I'll make it very high class and help my parents in everything.
Are your dreams big or small?
Sir, my dreams are very big, as you know. I'm very like I have very big dreams, and I tend to focus on them only, because sir, as we say that we should always dream big. If we will think about small things only, so sir, we will not be able to get anything. Like people say you should manifest also, so this is also a very good option, and my dreams are very big, sir, but according to me these are very basic, because I have always dreamed of good things, and I just want to let my parents think and let my parents see that their child has done something, and I am doing everything for my parents only at right now.
You have big dreams. You want to settle your own business. Tell me one thing. Which skill are you most confident about?
Sir, I am confident about the skill which I have is manipulating people.
Ah,
Like I know how to change the person's mindset. Like during when I have done some small kind of businesses, then also I can like just put the other person who is not even interested in that, he can also get interested in my product, because sir, I believe that this skill is not with everyone, because I just be genuine in front of one, and I just keep on smiling, not being rude, and using a love language, or like using any small tone or like good tone in the front of other can manipulate the other person very easily.
Ansh, as you are entering college life, what excites you the most?
So basically, the things which excites me the most are like college life. As my parents have always said that college life is very good, and they have never enjoyed these kind of things. So I believe that going in events, attending concerts, we will get concerts, and there might be many events like I have seen in some colleges there are car events also, and as it is also my interest, so at that I am excited for the events basically.
What kind of student are you?
So basically, I am an average student. I am not so much good in studies, but I believe that my rest of the skill are very important, and I have a good skill. I know how to talk to people. I know how to respect other person. So at that time, I believe that having a good like study background is not much important, but you should know the other various skills also, which will help you in life. Like now, you can easily see in the right now world that people having degrees are not getting the job, because such skills are very important part of our life, and I tend to learn editing and many things in my life.
You want to do so much for your parents. What is your responsibility for your sister?
My responsibility for my sister is, sir, because I basically don't want to do it for my parents. It is for everyone, like who all are my part of the family. Basically, there are 10 people in my family, and they matter to me the most. So I'll do it for everyone. As my sister, if you talk about her specifically, so sir, I want to buy her a diamond ring from like whenever I earn a good amounts, because sir, she has always like seen many things, and she have told me, but right now I don't have anything, so how can I buy her things? But at time when I'll have a good success, or I have a good amount of money, so I'll buy her anything whatever she picks.
Ansh, how has your relationship with your parents changed over time?
Yes, sir. I believe that earlier I was not able to tell them anything about my life. I was very scared from my mother and father both. But now at times I share things with them, whatever happens with me, and I tend to tell the places also where I have made any mistake. So I believe that I am opening up with my parents and tend to spend more time with them, because sir, if I'll have a good bond, so in future only then they'll always feel comfortable in telling me something. Like some parents don't tell their children that they are facing this problem, and some child also don't tell their parent that my parents will overreact or this. So I believe building a good bond at this age is very important with parents.
How does it feel when you are compared with your sister?
Sir, basically I believe I feel very much, sometimes I feel sad because she is very good in academics.
She is undoubtedly intelligent.
She's undoubtedly intelligent, and I am not that much intelligent, but I feel good, sir, that I am having a sense of competition, and I get a source of motivation from her, because sir, she has got so much good grades in every class or any college semester. So I believe that this motivates me to work hard and study hard, so that one day I can cross her somewhere or the other.
And how do you take care of your mental health?
How do sir, basically I take care of my mental health like by sleeping or going out with my friends, because sir, these are the only two things which I do to take care. Or sir, I can also eat anything good outside, because I am a foodie person and I love to eat. So these are the three things. Like I sleep whenever I feel very mentally retarded or I am very tired, so at that time I will go to sleep or go out with my friends. So these are the only three things which I like to do.
Should students evaluate their teachers? Like you have been taking classes for quite some times. Is it important for you to evaluate me as a teacher?
No, sir. Basically, I am no one to judge the teacher, because the teacher has a lot of more knowledge than me, and by studying 4 to 5 months cannot allow me or give me permission to judge my teacher, because I have also learned from that person only. And if you are talking in that terms, like how the teacher is teaching us or how he is representing, so I believe that you are teaching absolutely good way, and my mother is also a teacher who taught me, so she was also absolutely good at teaching. So I believe that, sir, I am no one to judge them. If I am not getting the right skills from them, or if I am not able to learn, it is my fault somewhere, because sir, other students are also learning, and the teacher is teaching same to everyone. It is not that someone is getting any special treatment anywhere. So I believe that I am no one to evaluate my teacher, and just be like go in a order with the flow.
How do you see overall journey with me?
Sir, I see my overall journey with you very exciting, as in the first starting day I was very nervous, and didn't even tend to speak, like I was just smiling and not even looking in front of, no eye contact, no hand signs, no expression. So I believe that, sir, this has improved me a very much. This has improved me very much in my life, as it has helped me a lot. Also, I am now able to speak in front of everyone, and this has boosted my confidence and my morale also. And I believe, sir, this is very important for a person to like boost his confidence. If you are, you know that what you have to speak, but if you don't have any confidence, so it will affect you somewhere or the other. So I believe that your journey with you was very amazing.
Last question, quite interesting. Yesterday only I came to know from your sister that even at this age, you still need someone to mix rajma with rice for you.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
you think this is something very weird?
Yes, sir, I totally agree with your statement that this is very weird, sir. But I believe that I have a different aspect in this, sir, because if I'll start mixing by myself, that is not a big deal for me. I can do that as I am 17 years old, so it is very easy. But, sir, this shows my grandmother's, my parents' love towards me, that how they are pampered me from the like last 17 years, because from starting only this has happened. This is not a new habit, and I don't want my grandmother's love to be decreased, and I love when she like mixes the rajma rice and gives me, sir, because I feel very happy that I have come, like they have already mixed that thing, and my sister and every family member take another bowl for that and mix myself, but I only get I only get the mixed one.
Okay, what advice would you like to give to those students who really want to improve their communication and fluency?
So the advice which I'll get like to give the students, those who want to improve their communication and fluency, is that they should always like don't focus upon that what are you right now. Think about the future. Think, listen to the superior ones, those who are speaking in the class. Just focus in the class. Basically, if you will focus, everything can happen. Like in the class, every time it is not serious situation. The situation keeps on changing. Sometimes it like sir also makes some jokes, and so you should just go with the flow and just tend to learn something from each other. If you are making any mistake, so there are review session also, like the people make reviews by each other, so it should not be at your ego that, oh, how he has said about this in me. I believe that if you will speak and if you will understand the other person's point of view, because it matters that other point of view is very important in your life. You know that you are speaking, but somewhere you are making mistakes, so the other's point of view will only help you to correct yourself. And if you are asking about how to increase your fluency, so just go with the flow, keep speaking like I always do. I never think anything about today also. When I am sitting for the interview, I am not prepared, nothing for that. I was just normal, and I am just answering the questions as I have to.
Super weird. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.